2025 how to. Welcome to our channel. We are currently busy with our 2025 series of how to AI. I'm a beginner. My name is Stefan and I'm learning everything that is AI related, and we are offering these free education workshops, videos for everybody that wants to learn more about AI. Please visit our link in previous videos. We're now currently in part 4, so let's just get right into it. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following strict instructions, ML models identify patterns in data and make predictions or decisions based upon that information. Some key points: ML automates decision-making processes, it learns from experiences, historical data, and it improves over time as more data is provided. Let's look at supervised versus unsupervised versus reinforcement learning. It's a lot of information. ML or machine learning is categorized into three major types of machine learning is categorized into three main types based on how the model is trained. First one, supervised learning. The model is trained using labeled data, input-output pairs. For example, a spam filter learns from emails labeled as spam or not spam. Common algorithms, linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Number 2, unsupervised learning. The model identifies patterns in unlabeled data. For example, a customer segmentation is grouping users based on a behavior. Common algorithms, K-means clustering, principal component analysis, PCA. Reinforcement learning, number 3. The model learns by trial and error, receiving rewards or penalties for actions. For example, AI playing a game and improving its strategy over time. The key concept: agent, environment, reward system. Common algorithms, Q-learning, deep Q networks. How machines learn from data. The process of training an AI model involves 1. Data collection, gathering raw data from various sources. 2. Data pre-processing, cleaning and structuring data for analysis. 3. Model selection, choosing an appropriate algorithm for the task. 4. Training, feeding data into the model and adjusting parameters to optimize accuracy. 5. Evaluation, testing the model with unseen data to measure its performance. 6. Deployment and improvement, using the model in real-world applications and continuously refining it. Now, the last part of the introduction about machine learning is we're talking about neural networks. Now, neural networks are types of machine learning models inspired by the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected neurons that process information. Key components of a neural network: input layer that receives raw data. Hidden layers process data using weights and activation functions. Output layer produces the final prediction or classification. How does it work? Well, each neuron applies a mathematical function to input data. Weights are adjusted through a process called back propagation to minimize errors. The model learns over multiple iterations and improves accuracy. For example, facial recognition systems use deep neural networks to identify faces by learning patterns in images. Wow, what a lot of information. Now, if you've gone to part 1, 2, 3, and now part 4, and sometimes you feel like me, wow, this is like overwhelming. How will I ever apply this? How's this going to work in my real life? How's it applying to my type of work? Well, this is the journey that we're on, about discovering what is AI, how's it going to change my life, how is it affecting my life. My name is Stefan and welcome to this 2025 series of how to become a better person the best version of you, because you are worth it. Save and bookmark these videos so you can go through it and join me on this journey of becoming stronger and better. It's all for free. You can just come to the videos, listen to it, comment what is it that you want to learn, how do you want to improve yourself, what type of content would you like to see that's going to inspire you, motivate you, enable you to ask honest questions about who you are and where you want to go in this life. It's all about connecting people, connecting conversations. Let's engage and let's become stronger. 2025, how to become the best you.